Hey guys, Kevin here, you're with the Modern Creatures, and welcome to another video. It's been more than a week since we uploaded in this channel, and as you know, we just moved to this place, and the transition just took a little bit longer than expected. But we're settled, we're back, and we're actually thinking of doing a studio tour video. What do you think? Should we do one? Let us know in the comments below. Anyway, back to the topic. The reason why I mentioned our move was that the entire time we were fixing things up, boxing things up, and dust was all over, I had this thing on. And just a sneak peek, here's how you know that this thing really worked. Crazy, right? Well, I'll get to more of that in this video. Stay tuned. This is our LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier with VoiceON review. You know what it does? It serves as a face mask that cleans the air using premium grade filters and helps breathing easier through a pair of fans. And for this second generation, it comes with a mic and speaker so you can be understood clearly while talking. We already have our unboxing video up, so if you're interested to know what comes in the box, and the packaging itself is already really cool by the way, head over to the link somewhere here and watch the video. Okay, so now let's quickly go over through the design and features of the device. It has this medical grade silicone that comes in contact with your face, two H13 grade HEPA filters that go to these compartments, and an inner filter that catches and absorbs moisture. Up front, you have a plain surface, and this one comes in ocean black, and it only has this grill for its speaker. Down under, you have the charging port together with the power button and LED indicators for when it's on, low battery, and when Bluetooth for app pairing is active. One tap of the power button right here also serves as the switch to turn the speaker on and off. There's also this down-facing grill where air comes out when you exhale. Inside, when we remove the filters, we see its dual fans with respiratory sensors. These sensors can detect the pattern when you inhale and automatically deliver air using its fans. So basically, it delivers air in intervals whenever you inhale. Its purification system has also been certified by TÜV Rheinland to have 99% of bacteria filtration, giving you that peace of mind whenever you're out of the house. In terms of its mic and speaker quality, having this feature activated was a great help conversing with people the past weeks that I've had it. Okay, so this is my voice when the speaker and the mic are not active. I'm also holding the mic here, so it's closer to the speakers when I turn it on. So as you can hear, it's a bit muffled. Well, it's a lot muffled. But when I turn it on, you can now definitely hear me clearer, right? So this is how it sounds when I speak with the mic and speaker on. So yeah, it's definitely better with the speaker on, as you can hear right now. And in terms of sound quality, your voice really sounds like it's coming from a speaker, which really has that Darth Vader-y vibe. Don't you agree? And for those curious, the fans are faintly heard through the mic. It's not too loud, but it's heard when you're in an elevator, for example, and it sounds a bit like you're breathing heavily. Talking about comfort, this second generation wearable air purifier from LG is lighter at 94 grams versus the previous model at 124 grams. This then translates to a very comfortable experience while in use, and it feels like the heft of the device is just right to keep your nose and mouth sealed by the silicone guard. With the help of its strap extender, you can even use this while exercising without the fear of it falling off. And if you're concerned if it feels hot or warm while in use, small water droplets do appear around the face guard over time, especially during summer. But the silicone face guard makes things a lot more comfortable than wearing an ordinary face mask. Overall, the design is very ergonomic, and wearing it the entire day doesn't put too much strain on the ears. But if you want added support, you can always try using its included strap extenders. Again, in terms of how this thing fits, the face guard comes in two sizes, one in medium and one in large, just like what we have here. Now, if you're a lady and you're interested in getting this but might be worried or considering how it would look on you, a dear friend of ours sent this photo of her wearing the large size PuriCare as well. And as you can see, it looks good on her. Thanks for sending this in, Pia, and stay safe over there in Indonesia. Okay, moving on. With the weeks that I spent with this, I am nothing short of satisfied with its performance, both as a daily air purifier and face mask. Okay, so as teased earlier, I had this device on while packing and moving our stuff with all the dust flying around. And upon checking the filter, look at the difference when compared to its cleaner side. It's just crazy to think that it's something that I could have all inhaled. The silicone face guard is easily washable and both the inner cover and filters are replaceable. I do change my inner filter weekly or depending how much and how long I've been out, and as for the HEPA 13 filters, LG advises to change them after 30 days of using it for 6 to 8 hours a day. Replacement parts and accessories are available online including the face guard, inner covers and filters of course, and even the neck strap. Additionally, I mentioned earlier that this device comes with Bluetooth for pairing to a phone to use its dedicated app. And in the app, you're supposed to be able to keep track of its battery life, know when it's time to change filters, and more. But unfortunately, during the time of making this video, the app is still inaccessible to users in the Philippines, and LG says it will be available sometime in the Q4 of this year. With the fans working and its speaker activated the entire time, its built-in battery lasted about an average of 5 to 6 hours. Turn the speaker off and it easily lasts 8 hours and even more. For me, I had the speaker and mic activated the entire time, and I did experience having the batteries die on me while I'm still out. What happens then is that the speaker and mic are cut off definitely, as well as the fans. You still inhale filtered air just with no assistance. I didn't feel any harder to breathe at all, it's just that there were no more fans that made breathing way easier. Anyway, charging the device takes about 2 hours, so either do it as soon as you get home or in the morning right after waking up. And just a quick one, there have been questions in our unboxing video of this wearable air purifier that I still haven't answered, so let me just do them quickly right now for everyone's sake as well. So first is from Joselito Mutok and he's asking, malakas ba max volume? Is the max volume loud? And yung mic pwede Bluetooth sa external speaker. If the speaker could be connected via Bluetooth to an external speaker. So no, you cannot do that, and if you raise your voice, it also goes loud. But I've experienced it reaching its threshold when I raise my voice, like when I'm calling someone. So yeah, it doesn't tolerate when you like shout or when you talk really loud, for example. Our next one is from Lahozak. Another concern, most of the time replacement for HEPA filters and inner covers are sold out. Well, I just ordered a few extra accessories for my device. Specifically the filters, I ordered 3 packs of them and I had no problems. They were available as soon as I clicked it and I checked out. Maybe it's just a matter of, checking it and making sure that it's available, so hope that helps. Next is from VM. I have the first gen. I ordered the second gen for myself. I ordered my brother the second gen and he's been using it. He says the VoiceON works well. We live in the US. I love the black. Can't wait to get it. I've already pre-ordered several filter replacements. It's not really a question, but more of a testimonial. Well, good for you, VM, and I hope you enjoy it when it arrives. And as always, in our reviews, The Modern Creatures aims to find special features in devices that make them worth having. Their creature feature. And for the LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier with VoiceON, it's its VoiceON functionality. Yes, the most important aspect of this device is the fact that it effectively purifies the air you breathe in, especially during this pandemic. But that's been established in the first gen offering. For this second gen, LG was able to successfully address a need out of its first model to make a great device even better. This wearable air purifier has an SRP of 9,799 pesos, but is also currently available for less than 9,000 in select platforms. We'll leave a link below to some of them. The LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier with VoiceON is a device that should definitely be on your list if you value peace of mind and confidence when you're out of the house. I even tried it on while exercising just to see if I could still breathe normally, and I could. So you could use it for your short jogs outdoors and the like. It doesn't come cheap like your normal face mask, but the features, design, technology, and even the fact that it comes in this ocean black color makes it worth the investment in my opinion. And that's about it for our LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier with VoiceON review. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.